In food manufacturing, cleaning and sanitizing aren't just chores. They are the foundation of food safety and public health. It starts with cleaning, removing visible dirt and food residue. Without this first step, sanitizing agents can't reach the bacteria hiding beneath the grime. Then comes sanitizing, using heat or chemicals to reduce microorganisms to safe levels. It's the final polish that eliminates what the eye can't see. Manufacturers use three main methods: CIP, clean in place for complex machinery, manual cleaning for smaller parts that need a human touch, and high-pressure systems for stubborn residues. To do it right, you must choose the correct agents, thermal or chemical, and follow a strict 5-step process: pre-clean, rinse, detergent, rinse again, and finally, sanitize. Success depends on regular inspections and detailed record keeping. In an audit, if it isn't documented, it didn't happen. But managing these complex schedules and compliance logs can be a massive headache. That's where Ops Analytica comes in. Save time and slash compliance costs with our turnkey implementation packages. No lengthy setups or tech hurdles. Our ready-to-go platform lets you start improving operations and ensuring safety the very same day. Ready to simplify your operations? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the chat. There's no commitment, no cost, just a straightforward conversation.